Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2015 GMC Acadia that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This Acadia is no exception. Clean Carfax West Coast vehicle, service and checked by our techs, backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. If you're in the market for a mid-size crossover with third row seating, the Acadia is a great choice. This one is very nicely equipped with features, great infotainment system. Doesn't have the Bose sound system, but I was actually really impressed by the audio quality. I was listening to the 80 station on the XM satellite radio, and it really sounds great. I'm a musician and an audiophile, so I'm pretty picky about my audio systems, and I definitely like the one in this one. Backup camera, front and rear climate control. Nice leather wrap steering wheel. This one has 31,711 miles. Pretty low mileage for a 15. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. This also has the OnStar telematics, it looks like. Great feature. It's a subscription-based system, but it has lots of cool benefits. This one's a nice color combination in graphite gray on charcoal cloth. A nice alloy wheel package on it. Really is a handsome looking vehicle. This one is a front wheel drive model. Why would front wheel drive be preferable versus all wheel drive? Well, if you live in the Puget Sound area, obviously you get plenty of rain, but we don't get too much snow. So the weight of the engine over the front wheels and a great traction stability control setting, this will do great. Well, I wouldn't say great, but it'll do good in occasional snow, a couple inches. Of course, if you live in a really steep hill, which ices over, or you drive in the snow more frequently, you go over the winter passes, obviously all-wheel drive might be more important to you, but front-wheel drive will be a lower price point than a comparable all-wheel drive model. It'll also get a little bit better fuel economy since you don't have the drag of the all-wheel drive system sapping fuel economy, and you're going to have a little bit lower maintenance costs since you don't have to service the all-wheel drive system. It can actually be expensive to do an all-wheel drive service. I'm sure if you call the Chevy or GMC dealership and you asked them the price for an all-wheel drive service on Acadia, I bet it would be at least $500 to $1,000. Nice spacious interior with third row seating. It has seating, it looks like, I think for up to 8 people. Yeah, seats 8. Which is pretty good for a mid-size crossover. Usually you don't seat that many people unless you have like a full-size or minivan. Rear climate control, USB chargers for smartphones, privacy glass. Lots of cargo space back here. A little extra storage there. Have a power outlet there. You can fold the third row seats flat. The second row seats fold fairly flat as well, making this a pretty spacious cargo hauler if need be, for moving or making a big trip at Costco or going to Home Depot and get some supplies for the yard or working on the house. This is a vehicle that can do it all. It's almost like a Swiss Army knife. And being based on car-based unibody architecture, not on body on frame, like a traditional sport utility vehicle, it has a lot more car-like driving dynamics and handling, and more car-like fuel economy versus a big heavy truck. This V6, the 3.6 liter V6, is a Workhorse engine for many GM, Chevy, and Buick products. In the Acadia, it makes about 280 horsepower, plenty of get up and go. Really is a handsome looking vehicle, great value at its internet sale price. Contact us with any questions, and as I mentioned before, it's backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. If you're in the market for an Acadia, this nice low mileage trade-in is definitely worth a look. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And thank you for taking the time today to watch this video.